Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to this video demonstration of Gauss-Jordan elimination calculator. It is a powerful tool designed to solve systems of linear equation in the form of ax equals b. Here, A represents the coefficient matrix, x is the vector of unknown variables, and b is the right hand side vector. This This calculator uses the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, a systematic process that transforms the augmented matrix into reduced row echelon form to find the solution. Over the course of this demo, as we will walk through one example problem and other one additional problem to showcase the calculator versatility. So let's dive into the process of step by step to understand how it works and how you or we can use it for our future problems. So first, as you can see at the screen, um, our first problem is 2x sub 1 minus 3x sub 2 plus x3, and at the second row it's negative 3x sub 1 and negative x sub 2 plus 2x sub 3, and last at the last row it's negative 2x sub 1 and x sub 2 and x sub 3. So as you can see at the problem, so we just gonna input the equations at the matrix. So um before I input the problem, by the way, the n in here determine of on how many rows or columns should we use at our matrix. So as you can see, in the number of equation 2, we just only have two rows of matrix, and in the 3, it's a 3 by 3, in a 4 a 4 by 4, and 5 is 5 by 5, and 6 is 6 by 6. So let's go back to our problem. Let's input at the first row. Let's input the 2 and negative 3 and positive 1 and positive 8. Next is negative 3, negative 1, and positive 2 and negative 11. By clicking this plus and minus, we can input the equation to our calculator. And at the third row is negative 2, 1, and positive 1 and negative 3. After inputting the equation at our calculator, we can solve the problem by clicking the solve button. So as you can see, this tool not only provides a solution but also offers a step-by-step breakdown of and verification, making it educational and reliable. So sa makita na to guys, then so as you can see, there is a step by step on how to solve the given problem. And so as we all know that a Gauss-Jordan elimination final matrix should have a 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0. Just we only left one at the slanting part from this. So and after having the final or reduced matrix, we can also see the convergent plot in where it's going to 0. And to verify the solution, as we all know that after solving a matrix, we must check it and to find if it's really correct. So by clicking the verify solution, we can see the original number at the in here, the 2, -3, -1, and 8 if it's really equal to 8. So 2 times 1, -3 times 2, and 1 times 3. So we get the -1 from and just substitute the numbers we get here at the reduce matrix. From here, the A, B, C. So as you can see, after substituting, guys, and multiplying, we really check and verify that at the equation 1, 8 equals to 8, and it's verified. And at the second equation, we also substitute the final vector numbers and multiply it to the original second row equation. So -3, 1, and 2. So as you can see, we substitute it and multiply it to the second row equation, and it's equals to -11. So it's checked. And also at the equation 3, it's -3 and -3. So let's try other problem. The as you can see at the screen, so let's refresh it. So 1, 1, 1, and 6, and 2, -1, and 3, and 5, and -1, 2, and -1, and -2. So let's solve. So also as you can see, it also has the step-by-step process. And let's allow the calculator to solve our second problem. So as you can see, it's here. It's really functioning, guys. And also it shows the residual norm versus the step by step. So we have a 10 steps. So it's here. It's really reducing to the to its simplest form, in where it the slanting part is 1 and the other side is 0. Excuse me. As you can see, here is the final vector, so let's also verify the solution. So as you can see, we just substitute the number at the last part. It's 7.667, 1.333, and -3. So as you can see, it's also a verified solution. At the second row or equation 2, it's also equals to 5 equals to 5. So it's check and check. So at the last part of the calculator, here is the basic instruction on how to use the calculator. And that's conclude for my demo for my Gauss-Jordan elimination calculator.